Panda's Picnic Feast.
JMR Chitravan.
The sun rises over Panda's farm. Mama Panda picks carrots. She finds a pumpkin and cabbage too. All packed and ready to roll, she rides home through the sunny path. The baby pandas wave happily from the hut. Mama and baby panda washes the fresh veggies. Soup is bubbling on the stove. Yum! The baby panda give it a try. The picnic table is ready. They all eat together with joy. Rice ball makes cheeks puff. Mama Panda hugs for everyone. What a lovely day at the farm. All together, waving cheerfully. Eat healthy, stay happy.